You can also easily control out the playback speed inside of Audacity. So to control out playback speed, what I'm going to do is I'm going to record a sample audio right here. So I'm going to go around on the top and hit the record button. So this is the sample audio recording that I have, which I'm going to control the playback speed of. So now you can see that I have this audio, and if I were to play this, so this is the sample audio recording. You can hear that it is actually playing at a regular speed. Now if I want to play it slow or fast, then you can go on the top right here, and here you can see that this is what you have. So you got the play at speed option. So if I were to decrease the playback speed right here on to, let's say, something like 0.45 and hit this play button, not this one, but this play button, then it'll play at a slower rate.
So this is the sample audio recording.
And you can hear that it is much more slower and the pitch changes as well. So this does not actually make any changes to the audio file. It just changes the playback speed when you are previewing the audio right here. If you want to make it faster, you can increase the speed out right here and then hit the play button.
So this is the sample audio recording that I have.
So if you want it even faster, you can increase this out. And now to preview out the audio, now I need to press this play button right here. And you can hear out that the playback speed is much more faster. And that is how you can work around with play speed controls inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.